Cacciucco, Tuscan Seafood Stew. By GIC Kitchen. Item 1 of 1. Main easy 6. 1 hour 45 minutes. 5.00. This traditional fisherman's stew from the port town of Livorno in Tuscany is a seafood lover's dream. Packed with octopus, squid, mussels, clams and langoustines as well as whatever fish is available on the day, this is a seriously flavorful stew. Serve it over toasted bread rubbed with garlic like the locals do. Not feeling this? See related recipes. Cacciucco alla Livornese hails from the port city of Livorno and is said to have been created by fishermen as a way of using up the smaller fish which couldn't be sold. Like with many of soups and stews of the region, bread plays a role. The Tuscans often make their bread without salt, which means it goes stale very quickly, so to use up the stale bread it is toasted, rubbed with garlic and then topped with the stew. While many fish stews would contain white wine, this rich stew has a red wine base which is enriched with squid and octopus, giving it an excellent depth of flavor. The selection of fish and seafood are interchangeable here, so switch for your favorites if you prefer. If you have the time, it's nice to buy whole fish and make your own fish stock. Ingredients. Metric imperial. Stew base. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 pinch of chili flakes. 1 pinch of fennel seeds. 4 garlic cloves, finely minced. 1 onion, finely diced. 1 celery stick, finely diced. 1 small octopus, cleaned and sliced. Squid, small, cleaned and sliced into rings. 250 milliliters of red wine. 2 sprigs of sage. 400 milliliters of passata. 1 L fish stock. Salt. Pepper. Fish and seafood. 200 grams of clams, cleaned. 200 grams of mussels, cleaned. 6 langoustines. 200 grams of monkfish tail, cut into 6 pieces. 200 grams of gurnard, cut into 6 pieces. 200 grams of red snapper fillet, cut into 6 pieces. To finish. 6 slices of bread, toasted. 2 garlic cloves. Parsley, chopped. Save recipe. Print recipe. Shopping list. Method. 1. Set a large pan over a medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil with the chili flakes and fennel. Add the onion, garlic and celery with a pinch of salt and continue to cook until soft but without color. 2. Remove the vegetables from the pan and turn up the heat. Add the remaining tablespoon of oil with the octopus and squid. Cook until the seafood releases some liquid and it evaporates. 3. Add the vegetables back to the pan along with the red wine and sprigs of sage, then simmer until reduced by half. Add the passata and 600 milliliters of fish stock and simmer for 1 hour, stirring occasionally, until the octopus is tender. 4. Add the rest of the fish stock to loosen the stew along with the pieces of fish. Do not stir too much as it will break up the fish. Add in the langoustines, place the lid on and simmer for 5 minutes. 5. Remove the lid and place the mussels and clams into the stew. Cover with a lid and cook for a further 3 to 4 minutes or until the shells have opened. Discard any which haven't opened. 6. Serve over toasted bread rubbed with the garlic cloves, and garnish with freshly chopped parsley.